Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa to travel to the Comoros. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to travel to any country, very first thing is to check the visa policy. So I have opened on this Wikipedia page of visa policy of the Comoros, where they say that all visitors to Comoros are required to have a visa. Okay. Nationals of any country can obtain a visa on arrival for a maximum stay of 45 days. Based on government website, the fee are like 30 euro and US 50, free of charge for transit visitors with a stay of maximum 24 hours. All right. So what it says is like you are not going to get a visa free entry. Having said that, you can get a visa on arrival. Okay. So once you arrive there, you can apply for the visa. And if you're transiting within 24 hours, then don't worry about it. You can do it for free. All right. Now, what I have done, I have opened this consulate website of Comoros in Chicago. And if you click on getting here, they have said a passport and round trip ticket are required. All travelers to Comoros are given a free 24-hour transit visa upon entry. The following days, visitors are required to go to the immigration office in Morani to change their visa status. So this is where you're going to apply for tourist visa. A fee is charged based on the length of stay. For on this is the service. So that's it, guys. So now it is clear. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.